today for the Bitcoin price. And honestly guys, I didn't make a video yesterday, I didn't want to make a video today, but today's trading day for Bitcoin is one of the most detrimental days we have had in the last few years. Actually, I have some potentially disturbing news for you to share, but however, at the same time, this could be a huge opportunity for every Bitcoin holder. I want to talk about that. Watch this video until the very end, guys. Smash up the like button to a new all-time high. Let's crush it here once again. You are the most supportive crypto community in the world. Straight on my way to a Binance event, actually. I think CZ posted that he is sick, so I hope he's gonna get well very soon. I hope he's gonna take the medicine I recommended, because it takes 3 days to be healthy. But now let's go straight into the content and let's talk about what's actually happening for Bitcoin right now. And yes, I am still in my 1.4 million US dollar trade on Bybit I was posting earlier. Now I want to tell you exactly what are my price targets, what am I looking out for Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term. Now let's go straight into it, and quickly, here's Mo also right
What's
there.
up, guys? How are you?
And let's go straight into it. Crypto Mo, the one and only one. And we are here on the weekly candles. I want to talk about this towards the end of the video. This is clearly the most important message I have to share with you. Before we are doing that, I wanted to elaborate a little bit on the shorter time frames, actually on the daily, quickly. As you see, yes, our symmetrical triangle broke out. I opened my 1.3 million US dollar trade, one small here one and another one, a bigger one here. And now Bitcoin is consolidating. Yes, we got the breakout. Yes, we broke the above the previous rejection point. However, we still have this horizontal resistance. Yes, we are actually forming here also at the same time an ascending triangle. And if we are getting a rejection here, a retracement down to 39,000 US dollars is actually in the room of possibilities. The moment we are getting a retracement, that's possible. I would remain in my trade as my stop loss would be below. However, keep in mind, guys, this can get dangerous. And so far, of course, I'm more on the bullish side here as I am still in my trade, but I feel responsible actually to tell you this specific thing. So number one, we are having the weekly ribbons, right? And please make a mental screenshot of that. The weekly ribbons are right now about to flip bearish. However, we can prevent this. If we are getting a weekly close above, continuing this uptrend, we are not, let me repeat that, we are not going to see the bearish flip where the yellow short-term moving averages are flipping below the long-term moving averages. If we can prevent that, beautiful, let's pull out the champagne bottles, let's make a big party. But what do we need? We need not only the weekly close above here, which would be the highest weekly close this year at 44,400. This is the weekly close I'm seeking for. But let me show you this. If Bitcoin is fooling us here, it is not the first time in history. Bitcoin did fool us before. 2018, let's travel back exactly 4 years back in time for all the 4-year cycle theorists out there. Let's travel back. The moment we were flipping right here, Bitcoin had the weekly close above. And that was the last volume event here where Bitcoin was basically shaking out the last weekends, breaking towards the downside all the way from 8,000 US dollars down to 3,000 US dollars, and then eventually getting the bearish flip in the last shakeout in this bear market. Yes, these things happened before. So what we can do right now is, of course, if you are jumping in these leverage long positions, be aware that you are actually playing with fire, as I am playing with fire right now. I want to tell you very, very openly and transparently, this can be very dangerous. You need proper risk management. Yes, the upside is huge. We have a price target of 56,000 towards the upside. If we are getting this weekly close and not confirming the break above the EMA ribbon on the weekly candles, things can get very hairy. Things can get very disturbing for Bitcoin. And yes, no matter what happens, I will always stick with my worst case scenario. I was mentioning throughout the last 12 months, 28,000 US dollars. I'm sticking with that no matter what happens. But if you're in a trade, obviously this would mean liquidation. So please be very, very careful. Yes, I am in my trade, I am in my long position, and I am going to ride it all the way towards the upside to 56,000 US dollars. If you want to do the same, down below 10,000 US dollars for free. Bybit, VMAX, Binance link. Actually, I'm going to Binance, so I thought I might as well include them here. If you click these links, of course, you get added together almost a 10,000 US dollars bonus for free after clicking my link, making your account, and making your initial deposit. Make sure you are aware of that. that this is only for experienced trader. Buying and holding is key. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for smashing up the like button towards a new all-time high. Sharing the video among your friends if you feel comfortable with it. I would truly appreciate it, as this is the most supportive thing you can do for the YouTube algorithm, as YouTube tracks these backlinks and actually rewards the content creator with more impressions. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, look at VPAD. We have a few nice announcements coming up. Bye bye.